One of the most common questions I hear is, will AI replace teachers? And my answer is simple: no. In fact, I believe the opposite actually may be true. I think great teachers are about to become even more valuable. Artificial intelligence, yes, it can generate information. Yes, it can summarize content. It can definitely answer questions. I think we all figured that out by now. But teaching has just been never about delivering information. Teaching is about relationships, it's about encouragement, it's about knowing when a student is struggling, it's about helping someone believe in themselves when they just lost all hope. Now, yes, technology can support learning, but it cannot replace the human connection. The future of education isn't teachers versus AI. It's teachers who understand AI helping students prepare for the world where AI exists. And I think that's a much more productive conversation to have. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.